guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're at Walgreens and we're here to do some deals for the week of the 5th through the 11th of October. And I wasn't really sure about this week. I really wasn't sure about this week. I only had a couple of register rewards. I didn't have a booster and none of the deals were really grabbing me. So there is this one booster, and I do believe, you can correct me if I'm wrong, I do believe it is get $15 in Walgreens cash when you spend $45 on stuff on the website. But I just would rather go in the store and use my register rewards to lower my out-of-pocket. That is just my personal preference. But anyways, I didn't have a booster, and so like I said, I hemmed and hawed. But then I seen there is a P&G promotion this week only. When you spend $30 on certain products, you can get back $10 on a register reward coupon type of situation. So we'll go in store and see if my store is tagged. If not, I have a general idea and a scenario or two in my head to do that should work, even though my store may not be tagged. They typically don't get those tags for those P&G promotions. They just typically don't. So anyways, we're going to do that and we're going to see how that all works. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah, and I'd like to show you how to save money any way that I can. I also have a CVS video out this week, so if you like to shop at CVS, you can go over there, or if you don't care to but you like me, you can go over there and let it play and go do some dishes or something else, I don't know. But anyways, guys, let's go inside and see what we can do. So the first deal we're going to do is this deal that is everywhere, where this is a good moneymaker deal. But a couple of weeks ago, you had to have clipped the 7 off of 2 coupon that is for Garnier hair care, skin care, and maybe that's it. But anyways, it only includes the stylers for the hair care. So the stylers are $4.49 a piece. They're buy 2, get back a $4 extra buck. So we're going to try the spray gel here, and that will equal out to $8.98. Sorry for the bad camera work here. So it's $8.98, but then we use that 7 off 2 digital coupon. We pay $1.98, but then we get back a $4 extra buck, making it an easy $2.02 moneymaker. So now we're going to do the spend 30, get back a $10 register reward / coupon type of situation, and my store isn't tagged. So what you'll want to do is, if your store has the tags, you'll notice that if it's by certain items, it'll just show a few brands. But if you go over by the pads, the always pads, it might show another set of brands that are included. So I know that it includes the Head & Shoulders. The Head & Shoulders are on sale for $7, and they're buy 2, get back a $3 register reward. So of course we're going to grab 2, and they will equal out to $14. And I'll go over the coupons after we grab all of the items. That's how I like to do it at CVS. So then we're going to grab some Crest. The Crest certain items are spend $14, get back a $7 register reward. I'm going to grab this kit here, priced at $15.99, and we will be exactly 1 penny short here. So we are going to grab the Dawn, that is 99 cents, and I can't believe how little these 99-cent Dawns are now. They used to be, these are just just a few squirts. Anyways, so your total here will be $30.98. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for the Head & Shoulders and a $5 digital coupon for the Crest. That'll make our total $22.98. We'll get back $10 for the spend 30, get 10. We'll also get back 7 for the Crest and 3 for the Head & Shoulders. That would make everything $2.98. But I want to get something different. So I would like to grab a bigger bottle of the Dawn dish soap, and this is on sale for $3.99. So our total for everything is $33.98. We have that $3 digital coupon for the Head & Shoulders. We have a $2 digital coupon for the Dawn, and we have a $5 digital coupon for the Crest. That'll make our total $23.98. We'll get back the 10 for the spend 30, get 10. We will get back the 3 for the Head and Shoulders. We will get back the 7 for the Crest. That'll make our total $3.98, which I think is a very good deal. And then pair it in with the Garnier, it'll be even cheaper. So here is my first receipt. There is the Dawn, the Head and Shoulders, the Fructis Stylers, and the Crest kit thingamabobber. There is my coupons. So there's the $2 and the $3 are register rewards from last week. There is my $7 one, my $5 one. There's my 7 off 2 digital for the Garnier Fructis Stylers, the $5 off coupon for the Crest, $3 off for the Head and Shoulders, and $2 off for the Dawn. That made my total $20.96. Yes, I could have used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay, but I don't know. I didn't want to risk it. I know that you're supposed to be able to, but weird things happen or can happen. So anyways, my total for this transaction is $25.96. And here are my register reward coupon things. So here is my $10 coupon for the P&G deal that I did. The expiration is 10/9. So I'm going to go back in there and I'm going to use this. I'm not going to mess around because I can't even use it next week. I have a $4 register reward that I got for the Garnier. Here's the $7 register reward for the Crest. This one expires in a week. Not even. It expires in 5 days. And this one is $3 back for the Head and Shoulders. This one expires on the 13th. So that makes my total for everything just $1.96. Now, if I would have gotten the little baby Dawn, it would have all been a moneymaker. It would have all been a moneymaker. And that's really cool. So if you don't want to get the bigger bottle of Dawn, which I always do, then you can get all of this for super cheap as well and a moneymaker. So I'm happy. So I really didn't know what to do with this $10 coupon, and I wanted to use my $7 register reward as well before they expired. So I decided to grab some paper products, and so I decided to grab the Bounty here double rolls, buy 4, get back a $5 register reward, and they're $4.99. So grabbing 4 of them is $19.96. And then this will help lower my out-of-pocket, of course, and I'll get back a $5 register reward. But then I thought, I'm just going to throw in this Dawn, because I was going to grab it with my spend 30, get 10, but then there wasn't a coupon for it, and I'm like, you know what, I'm getting it. I've never had it. I want to use it. And then on my way through, I noticed this Fairlife milk was on clearance for $2.59. It is going to expire in 10 days, but I will use it before then, and so I decided to grab one of them. So here is my second transaction, and this was basically just using that coupon. I just wanted to use the coupon, and I think my AirPlay is connected with someone else's car. anyways, I got the Dawn and the Bounty, and then I got the Fairlife so that I could use $10 in Walgreens cash. So anyways, there's my register rewards that I needed to use. I could have rolled it in with another deal, and I kind of did. So anyways, the Bounty is $19.96, and you get back a $5 register reward. And yeah, super happy with everything today. So that makes the Bounty $14.96, but I'm going to save my receipt for a P&G rebate, because this will go take a good chunk of that. All right, guys, so we're back in from Walgreens, and everything went great. All of my digital coupons come off, all of my register rewards printed. So I am really, really happy with how everything went. Now, I could have done there's a weird shadow going on here, sorry. I really wanted to do a deal to kind of maximize the savings using that $10 coupon, but I thought, you know what? I just want to grab some things that I want to get that will cost me lower out of pocket. So that's why I got the Bounty and the Dawn. I didn't need to get the Dawn, but I wanted to get the Dawn. And then I seen the Fairlife was marked down. It is going to expire soon, but we go through milk. I go through that milk quite a bit. So that second transaction only cost me $3.10 out of pocket. But if you want to know the true cost of it, the total before my register rewards was $28.54, and then I got back a $5 register reward. But the idea with that second transaction was just to, you know, use those register rewards, because the two, they just weren't going to make it into the following week, and that was $17 worth. So I used that, and then I used some Walgreens cash and paid $3.10. So I'm happy with that. I really, really am. Some couponers count how much they paid out of pocket as their true cost. Some people take out the rewards they use to figure the true cost. At the end of the day, though, it matters. What matters, I think, is what comes out of your pocket. So that is my haul this week. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoyed it because that was a very good surprise, that P&G deal. There is a lot of different things you can do. I was gonna maybe possibly get some pads or deodorant, but the paper was calling my name. But I think that's really it, guys. There's really not much to go over except my total, and I'm really happy. I'm really happy with the total. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a great day. Let me know what you're getting down below, and I will talk to you later. I'm getting distracted because I filmed 2 videos and I'm getting a little loopy. So anyways, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye, guys.